We got a 3-ton unit going in here with a coil. And there she is. Line set's coming out right there. Goes down, laying on the ground here. Never seen such a thing. There's got to be a reason why we can't come out here, but I'm gonna check into that. Alright, so yeah, that's a finished space over there. Looks like somebody, it's already a second AC. There's the first line set there. And I think I'll probably try and pop this in the back if I can, so I don't have to cut that. Just pop that door off. Line set cut off here, drain lines undone. Pretty tall coil they had here. Do what you got to do to get them out. And boy, that guy looks short now looking at this one. We got this coil ready to slide in here. I modified that existing pan. And what I ran into here, this plenum's only 20 inches deep, and this little equalizer line here is sticking out farther than the rest of the coil by a 1/4 inch, which is really a pain in my butt. These A coils are so big compared to those N coils I normally use, but I went with this one because these stupid American Standard and Trains have this baffle in here that block off the little section on my end coil if I don't raise it up. I guess I could have raised my end coil up in here. Yeah, it's just too much work with these A coils. I think I'm gonna stick with the ends from now on. Okay, this is choice perfection. We got her in. Poor guy before me struggled though, that was pretty evident. His work was left something to be desired, that's for sure. Alright, we got this off the ground now at least. Looks nice and straight too. Tubing bender out of the house, down the wall and out to the unit. Need to trim these weeds back here. Alright, I got them weeds pulled back. Ed's heating and air and landscaping, and plumbing and carpentry. Mini toad down there. Patty must have hit this boulder when she was doing the lawn. Oh, there he goes. Yep, he's jumping up back there. Can't see him. Anyway, flip that boulder up. I'm not gonna fix that right now. We got a little toad down in there. We had an emergency install late night here on Tuesday. Guy just having radiation, he couldn't handle it, so we took care of him. Yeah. This guys are digging the zucchini. Loving it. A little bit of a bacteria bloom here. Yeah, they love that zucchini. Scared all these guys away.